So today we're going to make our name in Paint 3D. What you need to do is make all of the letters touching. They have to be different sizes and they have to be on different planes. So quickly, I will show you how you can do this. If I go to text, you have to do one letter at a time. Oops, sorry. And I'm going to make it bigger. All right, so now if I turn it, you can see that it is only that far. I'm probably going to click on it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make this one a little bit thicker. And there's many ways that you can do this. You can look at the degrees to see what they are, if it's totally flat or whatever. All right, and then I'm going to make another letter. We'll make an R. And then I do not have to make it different color because remember 3D or my 3D printing does not, but you can do another color if you would like just for your paper. That's fine. Okay, so if I take and I do my 3D view, you can see that they are touching. I'll move this one out a little bit. All right. And if I take all of it and select all and turn it down, you can see that they are different sizes. There's just different, I don't want it to be the same. That's what the problem or the challenge is. So then there's your R. So we're going to select this. I'm going to put it up here. All right. Then I'm going to make a period. Okay, if I select it all, I'm going to do it this way. Oops, well, that's an issue. So we're going to move this guy over here. Oops, wrong one. Make this come out a little bit. Whether it goes all the way to the back, that's up to you. But when I turn it, I want to be able to see different levels. And I showed you the example in class, which will show you why we want to do this. All right, and then the last one is, or no, we're going to do two more actually. So we're going to go with text, and we're going to hit an underline. Okay, so I have to do this because I have two letters or two words to my name. If you were doing two words, somehow I have to attach it. So I can either do it this way, which kind of looks weird. So we're going to try just putting the J And then we're going to maybe make it go down further. Okay, the problem with doing something like this is it looks cool on this, but how would it stand up if we were going to actually print it? So let's try. All right, let's try that. So now, but they're not touching, so we have to make sure, like I told you, you have to make sure they're touching and they're all at a different angle. Once you are done with your name, it has to be your full name, like first name. You need to save it as a 3D model and then turn it in. So you can go to Save As, 3D Model. Make sure you put it in your 21, 22, or 22, 23, sorry, 22, 23 folder, Digital Literacy Q1, and name it correctly. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me.